I'm going to show you how to make a delicious caramelized pork.
You will get a succulent meat with just a sugar, garlic, fish sauce, salt and pepper. You can of course substitute pork for chicken. Start by cutting 1 pound of pork loin or chicken flesh into slices of half an inch thick. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. Prepare 2 tablespoons of sugar. In a pan, heat it over high heat. Put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and sugar. Spread it out a little. Don't stir, otherwise the sugar won't caramelize. When the sugar starts to take on color, briefly stir to homogenize the caramel. And let it heat up. When you see some bubbles and smoke, add the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the pork. Briefly stir so that the garlic and caramel don't burn. Then put 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Regularly stir for 7 minutes. At the beginning, the pork releases its water. This is normal. Gradually, the liquid evaporates and the pork caramelizes. During the cooking, the flavors of fish sauce combine with those of caramel and garlic. Some rich and deep aromas develop. The flavor of fish sauce decreases. The caramelized pork is ready. It is delicious with jasmine rice. We like to enjoy it with some vegetables. Here, sautéed eggplant and mushrooms. Bon appétit! To have a good meal and you are short on time, consider the caramelized pork or chicken. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.